Hi everyone, it's Diday vlog. Yes, I am, and we're back to what's on my fridge. And tonight, it's evening now. Tonight I'm gonna cook something that promise I never cooked this one, and I will tell you along the way how did I discover this food. So some of you, maybe this is also a first time to see this food, and I hope you guys like it. And dali! What's on my fridge? I have this burger patty that I'm thinking what I can make for this, what recipe we can make. Well, I always cooking lasagna. Hang on, sorry. I always cooking lasagna, burger, lumpia, what else? Gyoza, anything. So I do have an eggplant as well. I have an eggplant. So here's the eggplant in United States. Ta-da! And there's more. Ta-da! So anyway, I want to cook this eggplant and this burger. So I tried before. I'm not a big fan of eggplant, I swear. But if I want to eat the eggplant, I put a ground beef, right? A ground beef. So like tortang talong, okay? Tortang talong, but with this ground beef. Anyway, I always cooking that as well. I don't want to cook that tonight, because tomorrow is a special day. I searched in internet, and this one, oh guys, I swear you're gonna like this. So dali! So let's go. And the recipe is just simple, okay? Very simple. Let's go. So guys, we're gonna wash this first. Oh, I hate sticker. So this, guys, I have eggplant. I have eggplant, potato, onion, garlic. Garlic is just optional. If you like garlic, you can, but if you don't like the smell of garlic, it's okay without garlic. And don't forget the bay leaves. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna slice the jumbo. So it's up to you how you're gonna slice your eggplant. So you can slice it like this to make it round, or you can slice it like this, okay? Like so. Before I cook something, I search like few people and the authentic for this. So which one is good? Then I'm going to combine. So this one, I watched 3 people. They cook this, and I combine their recipe. But the recipe is just simple, very simple and affordable. You're gonna slice it like thin. This very careful, thin. Are you enjoying, guys, watching me having a hard time in here? Oh, I bet you're laughing in there. So that one is hard to slice like that, and then the other one I will slice it like that. Okay, we'll see which one is hard for me, because this is big. They're dinosaur. Giants, I mean giant. They're giant. Guys, this one is easy. So this is the winner for me. Yeah! There you go. So after this, some of them they deep fry this. Some they just throw in the oven and for 10 minutes, something like that. It depends how thick your that you slice. So well, for me is oven. I'm going to cook in oven. But for you, if you want to deep fry, so because this is watery, right? It's too hard to deep fry this. So what you're gonna do is grab some salt, put in a top, just salt in it, and leave it for like few minutes, and you'll see. Hang on, I will show you later. This is experiment, so I'll show you later how is the salt help the water move. Okay, we need to put in a strain it like this. Okay, go. You can see it, guys. Okay, water. Now we're gonna peel the potato, and same thing. We're gonna put we're gonna fry this or put in the oven. We're gonna slice it thin slice again. What I always says, your kitchen, your rules. And I'm not professional chef. Hang on. You'll see. One. So we will see now in here. Oh, this is good. Okay, this one is good. So you see how thick is this? Not really like a paper, but it's a bit thick. Told you guys, remember I put a salt in this to remove the water before you deep fry. So here it goes. Oh, look at that. Eggplant is full of water. So you better be careful if you're going to fry this. So that's why we are going to remove the water. There. You see that, guys? Oh. You see that? Oh, look at the water. So there you go. See? Mga katribo. So here comes the ingredients. First the vegetable, which is potato and eggplant. And then for the beef part, the ground beef, is you need tomato paste, tomato puree, ground beef, cilantro, garlic, bay leaves, black pepper, salt, cinnamon. It's up to you. If you don't have a cinnamon, it's okay. Onion. And for the cream part is 2 eggs, unsalted butter, cheese, whatever cheese you have, so it's fine, and some olive oil and flour, milk. Did I mention milk? Okay, fine. Did I mention milk? Yeah, okay. Oh, did I mention milk? Yeah. All right. Let's get it on. Dali. There, the eggplant. 3 layer. Oh, running out of time. But I'll see you soon, my loves. Okay. check is 11:57 night. Baking time. Baking in here. Put a little bit of olive oil. Olive oil. So remember the potato that we slice, thin slice, that we bake. So remember the vegetable first, vegetable, okay, and then where's the eggplant, layer of eggplant. So I told you to bake this. I highly recommend deep fry. To bake is it's taking forever, so some are burned. So why did we bake, or why do we need to burn? Anyway, it's okay, it's okay. Why we need to deep fry to make it brown, so just to reduce the water. Now I have to put a little bit of cheese, mozzarella cheese, whatever cheese you have in there. You need to make it even, right? So good. You see how I'm doing in here, like roller coaster? Okay. One more layer of eggplant, because I have a lot of eggplant in here. Together, look at how I ruined my eggplant. Guys, hey, this is my first time, okay? And I don't know what is the taste for this. I really don't know. But we'll see. Like lasagna, right? Lasagna. So this, your lasagna, how you cook your lasagna is like this. But the difference of lasagna between this and lasagna, this one is vegetable. Lasagna is pasta. Guys, come on. I love cheese. Another cheese. More cheese. Be generous to your cheese. Okay? This is Parmigiano. It gives a little bit flavor. So excited to taste this food, but you have to try it first before me. It has to be like that way. It's a must. So guys, so everyone, so this is the moment, and I'm waiting for my dudum. It took me for a very long time to cook this, and I hope it's worth it. And
are you yelling at me? I can't. All I hear is
yeah, I'm yelling at you because you're going to try this, and I'm so excited to try, but you have to try it first before me.
Hot. So above my mouth.
Okay. How is it? I'm really excited.
I don't know, all my taste buds are burned off now. I didn't taste anything. No, it's really yummy. I like it. I like it like that. Delicious.
It's hot, not hot, it's temperature hot. Oh!
Temperature hot, not spicy hot.
This is moussaka. Moussaka?
Is that Japanese food?
No.
Is it from Moussaka? Moussaka from Moussaka?
It's Greek food. Oh, can you the flavor? Like
cinnamon?
Cinnamon, yeah, cinnamon.
Rat poison and that wasn't rat poison. It was hamburger, sorry. Or was it rat meat? Or was it the rat poison and the rat meat from the rat poison in the backyard?
So
it's delicious.
Can you taste
There's something else besides cinnamon in there. I can't place what it is.
Yeah, it's potato, the cheese.
No, spice. There's another spice besides cinnamon.
Eggplant, spice.
There's another spice besides cinnamon.
Cinnamon, probably the cheese.